Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products that promise miracles but deliver disappointment? Well, listen up, because today, we're diving into the incredible world of rose water, your secret weapon for natural home remedies. Rose water has been used for centuries as a gentle, soothing beauty product and is still popular today. There are two main ways to make homemade rose water: through distillation or by infusing rose petals in water. I'll explain both methods later on. First, let's talk about why rose water makes for such an excellent, natural home remedy. Roses have powerful skin benefits thanks to compounds called flavonoids and tannins that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents on the skin. Rose water helps cleanse and tone the skin, reducing irritation and redness. It can help treat acne, dermatitis, and eczema. The pleasant floral scent also has an uplifting effect. As an eye makeup remover, dip a cotton pad in rose water and gently wipe across your eyes to easily remove makeup and other impurities without irritating this delicate area. The anti-inflammatory nature of rose water helps soothe eyes. For sunburn relief. The next time you've spent a little too much time in the sun, create a soothing spray for sunburns by combining rose water with aloe vera gel in a spray bottle. Mist it over burned areas for a cooling, healing effect. As a facial toner after cleansing, apply rose water to your face with a cotton ball to help tighten pores and balance pH levels in preparation for moisturizer. It's gentle enough to use daily. For healthy hair, add a tablespoon or two of rose water to your regular shampoo or conditioner to strengthen hair, enhance shine, and emit a light floral aroma. It will help repair damage from styling products. Sore throat relief. This mild, natural astringent can temporarily relieve a sore, scratchy throat when gargled for 30 seconds a few times per day. It helps reduce inflammation and discomfort. I encourage you to get creative with your homemade rose water. Mix it into a variety of DIY beauty and health recipes like lotions, serums, teas, facial steams, and more. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you try making your own rose water at home and what benefits you notice from using it. Let me know if you need any other details added or have additional requests for the YouTube video script.